everyone, welcome back to the Tomica table, and today I have with me another Tomica shop car. One of everyone's favorite cars, obviously, is the Honda Civic Type R. This one is the FK2R, I believe, and, really nice black with some cool, well, I would call them tampos and decals, not really stickers. So anyway, for the box, we have your little T-kit here, or maybe plug-in. Tomica shop up here. Top, we have Tomica shop on the side, and for the back it's like a normal box. For the sides of the box, however, we got Tomica shop all across the side with the big logo and Honda Civic Type R. Same for this side, and let's get into the car. So we have here the Honda Civic Type R itself with the opening hood. Let me try to open this. There we go. And yeah, let's start off with the front. For the front bumper here, we have completely red outline. The base is a bit red and then black. And this part on the top right here is black. We also have some vents down here below, black, so you can't really see them. Little support beams. And the rest of your grille is black up here. We have a Honda logo in red because, yeah, obviously it's a Honda Civic Type R, so it's a red Honda badge. Also, we have silver front light tampos here in a really neat design and feel for the FK2R. Really nice. So you know how we go all the way down to this pointy edge and round up. So anyway, the hood opens because it's open right now, and we can see an engine bay. Most of it's black, or will be the main color of the body of the car, while there is a detailed engine inside. There is red and a silver part. Closing this, we can see some decals on the top of the hood right here, and we have a red, well, half circle or semicircle, and then some gold around it. For A-pillars, it's just completely black, and same for the side. So this one looks much like the limited color version of the FK2R, which I actually just got, so I may do a review on that soon. I'm not sure if I should unseal them, but who knows, I may review them soon. So anyway, for the wheels right here, these are the racing style wheels, and they have gold chrome. This one is, I think, a 2-door car or 4-door car, I can't really remember. Anyway, yeah, I can't really remember that, so I think it's 4 doors. Or 2 doors, looks like 4 doors. So yeah, probably a 4-door car. So anyway, for the rear light tampos, it is red right here for the rear lights, and another red Honda badge. For wing right here, or spoiler in this case, there is rubber at the sides like this. And for this thing, it's pretty squishy and rubbery. So anyway, we have Civic right here and Type R at this side. So have your back bumper in plastic with your exhaust pipes on either side. For the base, it is the 2016 Honda Civic Type R number 76 model. So that's pretty much it, I guess, for this. Oh, forgot the top. We have the Tomica shop, well, Tomica logo right there, and Tomica shop wordings in white underneath it. So yeah, I guess this rounds up today's review of the Honda Civic Type R Tomica shop. So I guess that's pretty much it. So if you guys wanna, well, hope Tomica makes a FK2R Tomica shop, yes, maybe you should comment on that down below, because who knows who knows who watches this video, man. Maybe someone from Tomica watches it and, you know, picks up the idea. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.